Tawaf Ziyarah. This is one of the three obligatory acts of Hajj, others being Waquf Arafah and being in the state of Ihram. Performing it on the 10th of Dhul Hajj is the preferred option, though it is permissible on the 11th and 12th as well. However, keeping unforeseen factors in view, it is advisable to complete it latest by the night of 11th Dhul Hajj. In ordinary circumstances, you would have doffed your ihram before going for Tawaf Ziyarah. After this Tawaf, perform Sa'i, which is mandatory or wajib act of Hajj. You can also perform Tawaf Ziyarah in ihram as well, for which separate instructions are available. Simultaneously, Sa'i of Hajj can also be performed before going to Mina, that is before 8th of Dhul Hajj. In that case, Tawaf Ziyarah will not be followed by Sa'i.